everyone, this is Kelly and I am here for Honeybee Stamps with the Be Bold release, and this is day 2. Starting out today, I have the Be Bold alpha dies. Now this is an awesome alphabet with lots of those special characters, so it has everything you need to create whatever card or project that you're making. There's also available the Be Bold numeric dies. This has the numbers 0 through 9 and then lots of other special characters as well. So you've got that @ sign, little brackets or braces there, hashtag or pound sign, you've got some periods or dots, a little apostrophe, and this is also the Bitty Patterns stamp set. So these Bitty patterns are specially made to stamp on those numbers and alphas. But you can also use these to create background designs for your cards. Let me give you a look first at the alpha set. So this is all the alphabet all cut out with all of those special characters as well. So you have the ampersand there, the question mark, an apostrophe or a comma. You can also make like a semicolon, a colon, whatever you need. You have a hyphen or equal sign, periods, or the little ellipses, the ... And here Kaya has used those letters in the negative space to create the beautiful hello. And then Ilda has created this awesome and bold Happy B-Day card. Now here's for the numeric set. So here's your numbers 0 through 9. You've got that pound sign, the hashtag, the @ sign, a little bracket there that you can make go either direction. You have lots of little periods or dots there, and also an apostrophe. And here Ilda, this is the inside of her card. She has made the numbers for a birthday card. Now here's a close-up look at those Bitty Patterns stamps. So you've got some diagonals, polka dots, kind of a little wood grain animal print looking, and also a plaid. And let me show you a close-up of what those look like on the letters. So here I've used the diagonal, the little wood grain on the X there, the plaid on the Y, and then the little dots on the Z. If I hold these little bitty patterns up next to these letters, you can see where you can stamp that directly onto your die cuts. So it would be easy peasy to decorate your letters. They also make great backgrounds for your cards. Here Melissa's used this tone-on-tone design on her alpha. And then Galena has used the plaid as a background. Now this is an awesome design from Carol. Now she used the bold alpha and then used the little polka dot bitty patterns to decorate both the background and her letters. Now next up is the stacking banner dies. So there are 12 dies in this set and I love these. I've clipped them apart to show you what they look like. So here they are all stacked up together, those 12 dies. So this is a great die set. You can see there it gives you just a straight cut edge, so you could use it for all types of occasions and whatever type of card that you're making. Now I've set this on an A2 card base so you can see what that largest die will look like on an A2 card. And here Galena has used those bitty patterns with those banner dies, and here's an awesome It's a Girl banner, would be perfect for a baby shower, from design team member Joanne. Now next up is called Chin Up Buttercup. Now this is the stamp set, so you have Hey Chin Up Buttercup, and then you have lots of little florals. Got your little flowers there, you have extra leaves. Let me give you a little close-up of how cute those little buttercups are. And then there is a coordinating die set as well. So it's going to cut all those florals for you, and then it's also going to cut some shadows for the words that come there in that stamp set. I'm going to cut these and get them all stamped and cut out, and then I'll show you what these look like. So here's the Hey and Chin Up. You can stamp right onto those little background dies or shadow dies. There's lots of florals, fun to color with your colored pencils or your Copics or watercolors, whatever you'd like. I love these. I love the different styles of leaves. And then I have some beautiful inspiration using this Chin Up Buttercup. So this design is from Carly, and I love how she mixed it with the alpha. This is from Emily. I just love her coloring. And then this is also from Emily. She paired the alpha with the buttercups as well. Next up is the With Sympathy stamp and die set. So you have the big scripty word stamps, you have sorry and sympathy, and then you have tons and tons of different phrases and words that you can combine together to make the perfect card for these occasions. So you have I'm sorry, I'm very sorry that you are, and then there's hurting there, not feeling well, going through this. We are, please forgive me. I love that because sometimes you just need to send an I'm sorry card. We are sorry for your loss. Hang in there. Our thoughts and prayers are with you. Sincere, better. You have phrases like difficult time, I wish I could make, and you have the pain during this. I'm thinking of you, everything, sending my love, heartfelt. So there's just tons and tons of combinations that you can use when unfortunately you have to send a sympathy or an I'm sorry card. Now there is a coordinating die set that goes with this. I love these scripty words. So you have both scripty words, the sorry and sympathy, and you have background or shadow dies as well. Now I'm going to get these cut out so I can give you a look at exactly what these look like, and they are so beautiful. Now I left these unglued from the background because I wanted you to see how beautiful those scripty dies are. And then I'm going to hold the background or the shadow up so you can see exactly what that looks like. So pretty. And that just makes that sympathy word just pop right off that background. And then there's the same thing for the sorry as well. And you can see how beautiful that script is. And here they are all glued down and ready to go if you like those on the shadows. Now here's some inspiration using the With Sympathy stamp and die set. Now this card is from Brenda. Look how beautiful that coloring is and the sympathy. I just love that. And I love this design from Carol as well. And then Ilda made an awesome card using the pennant dies and that glossy sorry. They're all beautiful. This has been day 2 of the Honeybee Stamps Be Bold release. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.